Hello friends, hope you are good. This is our lecture number 8 and today we are going to start a very fresh chapter, that is ergonomics and aesthetic consideration in design, which is our unit number 6. By weightage it contains 8 marks for your examination. So let's get started. Let us discuss the meaning of aesthetics and ergonomic first. The ergonomic, it is a study of people's efficiency in their working environment. This term is related to how people work in their environment. And the aesthetic is the term which is related to appreciation of beauty. This term deals with the appearance of the product. So that means ergonomics is related to work and their working environment, whereas aesthetics is related to beauty of their product. Now for the completion of unit number 6, let's divide this unit into two different parts, that is ergonomics and aesthetics. For completion of this unit, we will require total 3 lectures. In lecture number 8, that is today's lecture, we are going to cover man, machine and their relationship. Then in next lecture, we are going to cover design of equipment for control, environment and safety. And in the lecture number 10, that is third lecture of this unit, aesthetic consideration regarding shape, size, color and surface finish, we are going to discuss. So let's start our lecture number 8. Ergonomics. Let's define ergonomic first. Ergonomics is defined as the scientific study of the man, machine and working environment relationship and the application of anatomical, physical and psychological principles to solve the problem arising from this relationship. In a machine design, the machine is considered as an independent existence itself. However, in reality, the man or the operator or the user, machine and working environment form the system, and this system needs to be considered as a single unit. This is achieved in ergonomics. The final objective of the ergonomics is to make machine fit for the user rather than to make the user adapt himself or herself to the machine. It is aimed at decreasing the physical and mental stresses to the user. So by the study of this ergonomics, what we are going to do? We are going to fit the machine for the user and not for the user for the machine. The ergonomics area covers certain areas, and they are the communication between the man and the machine, the working environment between the man and the machine, the human anatomy, and the posture while using the machine, the energy expenditure in hand and foot operations. Let's draw a diagram for understanding of these areas, how ergonomics covers this area efficiently. Now look at these figures. It shows the man machine closed loop system. This machine has a display unit and the control unit. The user receives the information from the machine display through their sense organs. Now then he takes the corrective action on the machine tools by using their hands or feet. This man machine closed loop system is influenced by the working environment, and such a factor contains lighting, noise, temperature, humidity, air circulation, and many more other factors. The communication system between the man and the user and the machine consists of the displays and the controls. The displays and the controls forms the important part of the man machine system. So in this figure we have covered different areas, that is the communication between the man and the user through the display, then the working environment influence, and the human anatomy and the posture while the using this machine, and the energy expenditure in hand and foot during the taking these corrective actions. So in this session we have discussed about the meaning of ergonomics and aesthetics, definition of ergonomics, man machine working environment, closed loop. In next lecture we will discuss about the design of equipment for control, environment and safety. Till that, take care and thank you for learning.